Let's be honest, there is no shortage of information online. If general information or an AI app was all it took to succeed as an expert, everyone would be thriving by now. But the real problem isn't finding information. It's knowing exactly how to apply it, execute it, and turn your expertise into a sustainable, scalable reality. That is why I started the Expert Society. On this channel, I cut through the surface level fluff and overhyped marketing tech stacks. Every week, I drop tutorials, strategic frameworks, and no-nonsense breakdowns designed to help you organize your knowledge, reach your audience, and build something that will last. But watching videos is only half the battle. Real growth happens when you have a roadmap and a circle of peers holding you accountable. That's why I took things a step further and built the Expert Society community on School. Inside, you'll find free implementation templates, step-by-step checklists, deeper dive videos, and a dedicated network of supportive experts collaborating every single day. So if you're ready to stop just consuming content and start executing, here are your next 2 steps. First, hit that subscribe button so you never miss our weekly breakdowns. Second, and most importantly, click the link in our channel bio or the description below and join us inside the school community today. It's completely free to get started. Welcome to the Expert Society. Now let's get to work.